Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Watch T1 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First we need to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the side button and keep holding it until you see the Mibro logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until it boots up, and once it boots up you may see the list of languages on the screen. And if you see it, scroll through the list, look for the language you like, tap on it to select it, and once you select the language, tap on the check mark to confirm and continue. And if you see the QR code on the screen, it means we need to download and install the Mibro Fit application on iPhone. On the iPhone we want to pair our watch with, so make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store. In the App Store, tap on the search icon, then tap on the search bar and type in Mibro Fit. And on the search result you should see this app, Mibro Fit. Tap on it, then tap on the Get button to download and install it. And once the application is done installing, tap on Open to open it. In the app, we can allow it to track other apps and activities. I'm just gonna tap Ask Now to track. Then we can tap on Agree and Continue. And here we need to select the service area, so tap on here, scroll through the list, find the region you want to use, and once you find it, tap on it to select it. Then tap on next step, and as you can see now we need to log in into an account. If you don't have an account, you can tap on here on no account, register now to make a new one and then use it to log in, or you can use third-party accounts like Google, Facebook, Apple and WeChat, I believe. Okay, I already have an account, so I'm just gonna log in. Okay. We need to check this box and then we can tap on login. For some reason I can't tap on login, which is interesting. Okay, I think I entered the password with the wrong with the symbol that wasn't supported. Now we can tap on login, and after you log in you may see pop-ups on the screen about the permissions. For example, location permission, you can allow it or deny it. The Bluetooth permission, Bluetooth devices, allow it, it's going to be required. And after you're done with the permissions, you should see the home page. Now tap on devices, tap on add device, tap on watch. Look for the T1 on the list. Here we have it. Tap on it to select it and wait. The watch will, or rather the app will start searching for the watch. It should detect your watch. Tap on the watch once it appears. Tap on pair. Allow or deny the permission for the notifications. And if you see this page, tap on done. And here it tells us to go to the Bluetooth settings and basically pair the devices. So what we need to do is to go to settings on our iPhone, so find the settings icon, tap on Bluetooth, wait until the other devices is basically filled in, and as you can see here we have a watch. Same watch, but it also has like numbers next to it. What we need to do is to tap on it to connect it, and once it says connected, we can close the settings. Go back to the Mibro Fit, tap on done, and as you can see the watch is here on the devices page, and if you wake up the screen on your watch it should be ready to use. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.